you're desperate. You want to make fun of NDC. But calm down. You should let it be a solid case. Let it be a case where you have done nothing wrong inside. You are not part of the problem. So you can make fun of us well. Because I don't understand how you are so desperate to hold on to this cocoa board issue. Is it the first time producer price has never come down? And when I read deep into it, all the problem was caused by FBP.
Ebusan for aha Ghana TV GH. Message or like, a comment, subscribing, turn no notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusan for I send my trendy to say and say John Mahama His Excellency, we're keeping a promise. Ni boshe our share Ghana for, especially in conform where cook here for no. We'll keep a promise no. Any day, a reset. Reset in say, idea biara ewo ho, progress, development no. Yebe abrafo say will undo it. Progress biara as on mine. Eba no cocoa sector na. Yes, and the best ichi. Echo back to the way na system net year 2016. Enu a reset. Number 2 nini say another understanding for reset nini say a boy ayeto 1 bag of cocoa. Aye 3,100 that Akufo Addo no. Yes, and the beko ichi to the way it was in 2016 aye 475. Enti John Mahama ba mu na omudi sika ye sika ere pump into dollar edi exchange rate na yem bebre na yenti asie but afeina ya beti asie why he was doing that all along no one of the reasons was because he wanted to shortchange your cocoa farmers. But say I catch cocoa farmers no ya warning omo yes sir. Na asem we aba obi akabi no papa bi oho se on de jimi nkwa na ye na dwumuma enti asem serious aba na obi aka se we ade a ndisi fo aye we de enye and even in fact even ndisi fo ankasa kra ekabi said there be we de enye bema ye fe no DKB esan sorry aso cameras esi ni hu so say nsema esi ene ekoko seta no MPP 4 DKB jamo yare on wanga sana se wadwen atochi kakra asa kakra ma asa bibi nya dwuma yi wo yesi common advert ayesi koye 24 economy unu ukofa hookup advert name se wo betuano 2 a.m. and to call bank ako yiska at 2 a.m. To the extent say we party anga sankra eba bonte be disown advert say dey advert we dey enye 24-hour economy no asichire no na wo asemba won ka waruntu ya to abama mu wo party matina ban mu over 1 year 12 months plus muji salary enti enye weni wo say after 13 months mu yo aban mu no utimi sorry it na wo say ade I see in the 14th month no yen fam blame me and the MPP for jama o yare on be how I say it's now already comment section na obi say what failure as a comedian and you are on your way to fail also as a politician. DKB no. Aya shemba mu use wunyasa kakra. Asa NDC once mu be join NDC pe. Na mo ja munyasa ntu fie.
No. Oh, that. You see, it's so sad. First of all, Cocoa Board inherited almost $500 million of debt. $500 million of debt when they came to meet it unserviced. In fact, they took so many loans to the point where the cocoa beans, they couldn't even process it now. Because of the loans, they were not selling the cocoa beans raw, quick. So because of that, they couldn't get cocoa beans to, process and then package it well to do their supplies. and now we owed more than 330,000 in supply. Supply request of more than 330,000 because the cocoa beans, so because of loans, a button up, because we're selling it raw, caused by MPP. There was one I found out, a loan service of 350 million to renovate, to regain over 140,000 hectares of land from swollen shoots. I think 160,000 hectares of land. Only 40,000 was serviced. 160,000, MPP service only 40,000. But the $350 million vanished. Plus extra debt of 700 million Ghana cedis. It's just bizarre. It's just bizarre. I'm not even going to talk about jute bags. You see the jute bags, the parent material for jute bags is bales. We call them bales. One bale weighs like 60 kilograms. We have enough jute bags. But because of wickedness, man won't make quick money and abandon the government. So they kept importing. They imported we had excess of 114,000 bales of jute bags. For what? You don't need the bags now. And you're importing the parent material for the bags. Now we have 114,000 in the country. Just because you won't get no coffee and run away. So the cocoa board sitting there, the whole shocks of cocoa board becoming weak was caused by MPP. So I don't know why they've turned around. They're so good at it. They pretend they had no hand in it. Hey, you are the one in charge now. Do it well. He's the one in charge now. He being in charge does not mean he is the one starting the whole cocoa board. Cocoa board also came from your hands. Did you handle it well? No. But you are desperate to come and make fun of us. The things that you have forgotten a lot. Millions, billions, zillions. Sometimes the millions that if you slap your forehead. Hey! So, Dr. Randy Abbey, good job, eh? You are doing well, trust me. Not many can do that. Not many can do that. Stand on their feet, convince the farmers, and align with them for them to take a lower price. Because quickly, if the price adjusted upwards, what is Dr. Randy Abbey waiting for? He will adjust it upwards for the farmers. Because this party, NDC, our interest is the common interest of every single man, every layman, every poor person out there, from the rich to the poor. We cover everybody. We are not property owning. If you don't own property, you can't talk. LBP, you want to make fun of us, relax. Make sure you get something right to hold on to. Now this one there, Cocoa Body, you not cause a mess. Now you want to turn around, can't hold we. Hey, today, the LBP people I've heard from, I'm telling you. Hey, some of them, after they lost, they became ghosts. One account by WhatsApp, he's now selling boxer shorts. After the Cocoa Body issue, yeah, you see, you are cheating the farmers. I say, who is Nana Kofi Underwear? Who is it? I went to check. Hey, my MPP brother, selling boxer shorts because of how difficult the system became. Your party turned into boxer short seller. You still get more to talk. Hi, nothing can bring NDC down. Dr. Randy Abbey, good job done. Good job. Hi, I was reading the thing.
It has common logic. Say, market share a thousand misu. Was the 800. The friend is because she can you.
But is it a similar scenario?
That's a similar scenario.
Oh wow.
A cocoa farmer no projection is sent non expectation can buy 6,000. One yet about 3,000 some two muka crab in a mano. She and a cow yan chia. Yeah, change so babeka nyansa sama chena was a matesu because well but just a double stories. Sa sabin sem hununa na MPP abaye ye bia na catch your momentin. And no be oko Facebook and no be no one say the semantics, the world market price, the dollar exchange rate, the one what's about catch the politician omun sia deal. Omun sia de na you see the Mahama. We need to take the toughest decision. Into Akufo Addo the new Jimmy.
Oh, that one cast.
See, we need to tell politicians who need to school bear no makwa school bear no makwa
the level can no level.
What I say, President John Mahama PhD. The master CSN. So let them not behave as if say they are superhumans. And then a now for problem ebano. And you bet me politicians.
It's true.
Sabi who war nimdiet bebre chankrophobia omuye ministers ne DCEs. Ayadom. Let them not behave as if say
They are demigods.
They are demigods said yetimi koma semna or your president today you superhuman. And no be no ya you can you mentia feed Akufo Addo e kwete fa so a ene. And this is the danger. They be catch all 400 prophets. You see, right now, foot soldiers now mono, omutinka, omuhinka no. Woman defend something. Do you know the number of families that they are involved in cocoa? You don't understand it.
Who be message akwadwo was say I can't come musa no. Ono ko akwaje bosion, ni project they say, the na dada no. Says can they be bamana or
they don't have, you see,
they say what is
you see. When MPP, yes, a debt exchange program,
affect him.
People, you see, politicians underestimate the anger. Politicians, because they have people defending them. No, what you say? But they are silent people. They don't talk.
Yes,
and no, be saying they be catching MPP for no. When you are doing this nonsense, nobody will tell you. Your foot soldiers and your supporters will be hailing you. And you see, I am not the enemy and say, I catch a phone and no person which say, because say, Omunim Kakrenti, Omudominyan say, Babetes, Omu, would the Oka, what Jimmy? Another name before no. The idea say, Oka Kokwa Semno, what Jimmy, Unim the Oka, Nadian, you are hollow, Mimi a hollow.
We are shallow, dear bay.
Maybe a hollow
because all criticizing a decision from government.
But you see,
they
don't get it. And some, you see, and I'm so glad they say me papa or say Chamens a can be.
Okay.
Or say I can't people for you now, Boma.
Yeah, I'll say by 48.
What their name Timin Drew say about the floating voters.
And the winner.
That's true. Makacho say MPP, NDC, Omuni 44% to the floating voters. Women decide who becomes the president. And we will speak to the floating voters.
Yeah.
We will speak to the float and entrench MPP near this.
Somebody they look at issues with political
exactly. Even with MPP for Chromia and Trench, we were able to convince them.
Yeah, that's true.
In Ashanti region, we were able to convince them, say, John Mahama is better than Akufo Addo.
Yeah.
So you don't come in and say all these things.
But you ask what but you see the issue is that
every time I'm a bufu. I don't know John Mahama Chechi. I don't know Chechi. But bro, you see, I've been talking for 8 years.
And I change
so I do not want to go back talking about the same thing. Do they know the effect on our health?
Yeah.
People don't understand the effect. And your man you be komu, yare ye komu, yare bi okra be mad. But because we love Ghana so much, na yare because of Akufo Addo. You better sorry ni akuma ya. Mina mini akuma yare. Akufo Addo nti me nya akuma yare. So we don't want a situation where you better be shas ye ni ekikam.
But don't you think that I mean, relaxing. Viewers, subscribers, mumpe in Subi and Yunami Fangu dog akumas, dog hit it pale. By maybe taking the tough decisions, which will in the long run inure to the benefit of the Ghanaian people. But for now,
Akufo Addo take his tough decision, no, affecting no. This exchange, no, but I'm saying, say, Akufo Addo, tough decisions. So the NDC has benefited from those DDEP. Okay. True or false? Yeah, these are the facts.
It's true.
But they did not say it was a necessary evil.
Yeah, that's true.
NDC for Kebimano. They said he was wicked.
Yeah.
Akufo Addo, they said he was wicked. Yemumbi were affected.
Yeah.
Although he was, the Oya now koyeno. So, what do I say? A drew maybe when certain taxes, and I say for a buy, it's not what the same bottom. Taxes, Akufo Addo see edition bottom. And yes, a campaigning against him. It's now names a cocoa sector. No. Mama beto ka mujaka
and MPP beto
you know you omude no maja because a kabi a legacy
beto omuza
a legacy where mu kai mu so maja ka because se mo 4 years in beba no mo de ka e na beto aso
I see there be e ka o
e ka ye wonyoma bi wo ha e ka
ma mo yemfa politics ma de because koko de affect obi a o hwe
na unim sa nimdie no ana unim sa nyansa no se anya hwe no koko no etimi fluctuate enti sa wo kwose Nkwasia bo a hwe yie no mamenka no tie you see I am so angry with John Mahama I'm so angry. You see?
Relax.
No. Che, I'm so angry because so uye ni say ya. Me want to catch you say, me can say I give them the benefit of the doubt.
Yeah.
Because they say 2026 in realities, me catch you say 2026 in realities in the base.
Yeah, that's true.
So be kaya.
Yeah, okay.
So 2025 from the end. Now 2026 now unemployment in reality. I will hear sikano. I feel able to in. And there's no honeymoon for John Mahama
In 2026.
No. Necessarily at yes him.
And then I say, Bosch and Moshe so much to it was not.
No, but and I make us the worst case scenario and idea projection. And now make us say. It is said that my mouse swam interchange, you know. At the end of class, over to me to me 6,000 yenka.
How can it be about 3,000?
Because if you MP before they got 3,005. Also, the back will be out 6,000 would trim. But I say, maybe they be back 4,000.
Do you cost 6,000?
What kuomo? Maybe mammy a cuckoo.
Mason Papa Cuckoo.
Into cocoa, then a kayina.
Mason, I come pa.
Obia, me fear, our family to send it back. Oh, your cocoa.
Wow.
Into cocoa, some near car. A kayin. Into your say. Some me call one some demo quack chat, me dear, no me yan cha, me pieton caho.
Also the free.
Me pieto one son yan caho. So one to me, try to maintain. Ya disikabi koshe babim. Neka say, yen nim ya can say, but this is the challenge. Into yan yan na.
Okay.
A buy bet me disikabi for baby. What people say, ya disikafa he. Do you know many accounts are about me use the eye do you know? People don't understand. There are a lot of voters and we can't show. A buy person ya obey.
Okay.
Etinka ye Nkwasia ye no. MPP for abokagwo.
Ani yabeto.
Ani ababeto. Se near project senke betimi akọ enya anko. But ye besremo price na ye kan ye no. Ye de begina ho for this crop season. Now next year, no, hopefully we would adjust. And now say the be to a problem no.